Hi, my name is Akhila. Do you know that I have created this game within 3 minutes? Yes, exactly. You heard this right. I have created this game within 3 minutes using Chatgpt. Let me show you how. Open Chatgpt in web browser and set the prompt as shown in the video. You can also use your own prompt as you like. Ask to give the code separately. You can see that the Chatgpt has generated the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the game. Chatgpt also suggests you how the code works. You can read them if required. To check the working process of the code, search for CodePen in browser. Select CodePen webpage. Click on Start Code option on the top of the webpage. You will get into the page something like this. Here is a page for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Copy the code of HTML from Chatgpt and paste it in HTML section. Similarly, do the same for CSS and JavaScript. Once done with the copying of the code into the respective sections, drag the bottom white space to see the result. Now you can check the responsive of the game. We have successfully created a game. Now it's time to deploy it to make it play online by others. So, for that, open a notepad and copy the HTML code into it and save it with the name index.html. Take the new file and copy the CSS code into it and save it as styles.css. Now take another new file and copy JavaScript to it and save it as script.js. In desktop, create a new folder, give a name as you wish, and paste all the created files into it. Now compress the folder as zip file. To deploy the game, search for TinyHost in web browser and select the web page. Click on Upload File option to upload the zip file that we have created before. Give any name here in the link name section. This will be the name for your game. I am naming it as Akhila Game. Click Publish. So, now you can see that our game is published online. To see the game, click on View Site option. There you go. Our tic-tac-toe game is ready to play online now. You can share the link of the game to your friends. Enjoy playing the games that you have created on your own.